Hello, this is David Birch again. I want to carry on with the last of this first series about reading and writing on weather maps. I have to come back just before getting started very quickly. At the end of the last one, we looked at, we had this report here of this wind right here that was pointing the wrong direction. And in that movie, I said something that's not correct, or not the best way to think about these things. I said this wind is wrong, and because it's pointing into the high. Here's the isobars, and it's pointing into the high. That's not the way, that's not consistent. But the correct phrase would have been not that this wind is wrong, but either the wind is wrong or the isobars are wrong. In this case, chances are very good that the isobars are wrong, not the wind. The wind, the ship reports, those are pretty well vetted and they're professionals. It's probably right. So he was either in a squall or this front actually extended further out here than they knew about, and he was influenced by that. Or these isobars were in fact distorted over so that they were more in this direction, these were more in that direction, so it could either be like parallel or out of the high. But I'm going to come back to that later. It all has to do with evaluation of weather maps, and that's a different subject. So, but I had to follow up. It's not the wind is wrong, it's something is wrong about the map. Furthermore, this is a kind of a, this is another a little bit off subject too, but this map is chaotic, absolutely chaotic. These things are moving all over everywhere. This big croissant sort of weird shape of the hive. This thing is going to move and be unstable and be hard to predict. You know, maybe except for, well, let's let that go. And so this is a different subject. Now we're talking about plotting, reading and writing on weather maps. So I'm going to move to that subject.